Hey kids, it's time for another edition of Math at Home with Mr. Harrison. And this is something we've been working on this week, so this should be kind of review for kids. But if parents, if you're watching, this will help you hopefully understand some of the things that your kids are being asked to do in the classroom. And what we are going to be doing today is we're going to be subtracting mixed numbers from other mixed numbers. So we are going to start with this mixed number right here, and that is 3 1/4. And we're going to subtract 1 2/4 from it. And so before we begin, we're going to look at the very nature of what these numbers are. 3 1/4 is greater than 3, and 1 2/4 is less than 2. So any number that's greater than 3 but less than 2, we can subtract that. That's fine. We know that's okay. We look at our whole number part of our mixed number, and we see that 3 minus 1, no problem with that either. So we're going to say 3 minus 1, but then we look up here and we have 1/4 minus 2/4, and that is a problem. So what we need is more fourths. So just like in regular subtraction, and parents, you probably remember the term borrow. We're going to borrow. Well, we use the word regroup, the term regroup. So we're going to regroup. So what we're going to do is we're going to deconstruct this 3, and we're going to turn it into a 2 plus 1, and then, of course, our 1/4 plus 1/4. Now we're going to turn this 1 into fourths. And, of course, you know that any number 1 is just, if we want to turn it into fourths, we need 4 of them. 4/4 equals 1. All right, so we have 2 plus 4/4 plus 1/4. And, of course, that equals 2 5/4. Okay? So now we look at it and say, yes, now we've got some numbers we can subtract. So we look at our whole number, 2 minus 1 equals 1, and 5/4 minus 2/4 equals 3/4. 3/4. So our answer is 1 3/4. Today's mystery word, my friend Kevin has a wonderful dog named Boomer. So today's mystery word is after my friend's dog, Boomer. Boomer! So go to MrHarrisonsClass.com. You can go to It's the Right Time, write your name, and say mystery word is Boomer. Nobody will see it but me, but I'll know that you watched the video, and I'll have a prize for you tomorrow in school. Excellent, right? Excellent. Okay, let's do one more while we got ourselves here. How about 4 3/7 minus 2 5/7? Okay, well, again, 4 minus 2 is no problem, but 3 minus 5 isn't going to work, so we need more sevenths. So we're going to borrow from the ones place, or we're going to regroup. So we're going to deconstruct that 4 into, we're going to deconstruct it into 3 plus 1 plus 3/7, and then we're going to turn that 1 into sevenths, which will give us 3 plus 7/7 plus 3/7, which gives us 3 10. 3 10/7. Okay, and now we can subtract. 3 minus 2 equals 1, and 10/7 minus 5/7 equals 5/7. 1 5/7. I hope this is a helpful reminder. You can make these up. I made these up just here on the fly. You can make up your own improper fractions and practice on your own. And remember, our mystery word is Boomer, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.